Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic, well, attract more customers by having a website that is responsive and well built so that you are able to attract more customers and grow your business. So I noticed that you don't have a website. I came here to this address, dcenterpriseinc.info, the one that appears on your Facebook page, but I couldn't access it. So I'm just going to assume that you don't have a website. And in today's world, it's very important to have one because most people are actually consuming services and products using their mobile phones. So now I came here to Google and I type in brick paving for Lauderdale, which is one of the services that you provide. And the first section that we usually see is the Google Ads. And Google Ads are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. They can be very expensive if they are not done correctly. The second section is what we know as the Google Business Profile. And this section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need geotag and optimized pictures. You need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can rank at the top. Now, the third section is what we know as the Google Business, the organic search. And the organic search, to rank here, first you need a website that is, as I was saying, responsive. It means that it loads quick, that it has the right content, and you need something that we call backlinks. So let's start with two of your competitors. So we have Fort Lauderdale Pavers.net and Hollywood Stone Inc. So I'm gonna come here. Let's have a look at their front page. These guys have the click to call button, links to their social media accounts. They have the badges, they have nice visuals of the jobs that they have performed, more like a gallery. Then they have here the contact us form. They have the guaranteed quality, workmanship, driveway pavers. Um, So you can see here that they have quite a bit of content. In fact, they have all of their testimonials and services, the gallery from the owners. Well, and they even have videos. The videos are really good to have because they can be very engaging and make people stay longer on websites. And that's also another metric that Google takes into consideration. So overall, they have 1,000 words. And if I have a look at another competitor, these guys, Hollywood Stone Inc., they have 880 words. So that's something to consider if you ever consider to having a website, is to be optimized for Google. You want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, and you definitely need to beat out your competitors in terms of content and the amount of content. So you want to have more and more relevant content. And more relevant content means having buyer intent keywords, or basically what I search for in Google, which is having the product and the location. So that Google can find you for those keywords, and then you can rank at the top. The other component that I was mentioning is the backlink. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool I am looking at fortlauderdale.pavers.net, and here I can see that there are 61 external websites directing traffic towards their website through 299 links. And Hollywood Stone Inc., these guys have 143 external websites directing traffic to their website through 2,420 links. So basically, the message here is that you not only want to build a strong backlink profile, but it's not only about having backlinks or beat them out in terms of the number of backlinks, but having the backlinks that are powerful. And the ones that are powerful are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, so that Google can give you credit for these websites. And then they will pass on their power onto your website. Excuse me. Now, the other section that I want to share with you is the organic keywords. So these guys are being found for 106 organic keywords. In this view, I can see what those keywords are. And so, for example, pavers for Lauderdale has a search volume of 150 searches per month, and they're in the first position. And because they're in the first position, they were able to drive 52 visits to their website. And you can see that they are actually ranking for quite a number of keywords in the top positions. Anything beyond the 11th, 12th position means that they're already on the second page of Google. So it's going to be really hard for them to attract traffic. So for example, Fort Lauderdale paver installation. Um, so what you want to do here is that you want to identify what are those keywords with the highest search volume, because those are the ones that you want to include in the content of your website so that Google can find you for those. And then by strengthening your backlink profile or building that backlink profile, you're going to be able to rank at the top of the Google organic search. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use it if you consider building a website. And please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.